Today, we're testing out the 2022 eyebrow. Who knew that eyebrows had years? Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are playing around with a new eyebrow routine. Normally on this channel, I talk all things wavy curly hair. And today, I really look like somebody you want to be taking hair advice from. I know. That being said, recently, I have been enjoying watching the occasional YouTube video. And the YouTube algorithm recommended a video to me talking all about how I used to do my eyebrows in 2016 and how I do eyebrows in 2022. Or it was 2021 in the video, but we're in 2022. So that's what we're going with. But anyway, I realized that I had fallen into a rut, a habit of doing my eyebrows in the 2016 style. And that is unacceptable. I must be up to date. I must be on trend. Because clearly, I can't get away with doing nothing to my eyebrows. Honestly, I can get away with whatever I want. But I personally feel like my face looks more structured or something with eyebrows. I prefer, when I have makeup on, that my eyebrows are also a part of the party. And to my surprise, in the 2022 eyebrow routine, everybody is using this gel. Fun fact, from what I can tell, this product appears to be curly hair friendly, meaning that it is sulfate, silicone, and drying alcohol free. And it has crazy hard hold, which is the way to my heart in a hair product. So in a future video, we may be doing an in-depth review on this product as a gel for wavy curly hair. But today, instead of putting the gel in my hair like I would normally, I'm gonna put it in my eyebrows. Also, apparently in 2022, everyone is doing their eyebrows with these teensy little pin things instead of an eyebrow pencil like we used to do. Apparently, pencils are no more, and pins are how we do this. As someone who has a literal Rolodex in my brain of curly hair friendly products and their uses and applications, you would think that I would be paying more attention to makeup as well. I don't know why hair and makeup seem to go hand in hand in my brain. You would think that I would be more up to date on makeup. So hopefully this video remedies that. Please hook me up with a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. I know it's different. Don't worry, this Friday we will be back to hair content. I just thought it'd be funsies to play around with makeup together today. All right, enough rambling, enough of this intro. Let's get started. So the majority of the people that I watched tutorials on started off by gelling their eyebrows and then filling them in. So I am just taking a teensy bit of gel on the back of my hand, trying to make sure that it's pretty evenly distributed in the spoolie. Let's see, can I zoom? Let's zoom in. Come closer to my face. Oh, instant regret. Okay, so people backcomb the brow to really smush the gel into it. And then they comb them straight up because apparently we want our eyebrows to be as spiky as humanly possible. Part of me feels like this is gonna look really bad on me, if I'm being honest. I'm scared. You know what? I have a feeling I'm gonna have a hard time staying in frame. So we're gonna back this up a bit. All right, there we go. All right, do I look fluffy? Because that's what we're supposed to be doing here, fluffiness. Also, my eyebrow hairs are really funny, at least to me. Comment down below if you struggle with the same eyebrow problem. My eyebrow hairs are incredibly coarse and they're very curly and stubborn. I have very fine, wavy, low porosity hair that is very easily manipulated, but my eyebrow hairs are a different story. All right, one eyebrow gelled. Can we tell a difference? Now let's gel this one. This one literally grows straight down through here. So we'll see how much hold the got-to-be gel's got. Because if it can hold my eyebrows that grow straight down, up, that's impressive. Back combing. And brushing up. Am I doing this right? Okay, both eyebrows are fluffed and standing on end, I think. Do I look pretty? Have I teleported from 2016 to 2022 yet? Are we getting there? Now, you are not supposed to go hard with the eyebrow product. You're just supposed to barely fill in your eyebrows. My eyebrows are very blonde and I have a tendency to want to like amp them up too far. So we'll see how this goes. Now for the other brow. What is happening? There's a bubble on this and it's gone. Okay, here we go. Also, I have no eyebrow tail at all on this side. Okay, this is interesting. I actually kind of like this because I can draw in hairs where I am seriously lacking. Are they the same shape? Oh dear, this one got really square. Okay, obviously I'm gonna need some more practice. I should probably quit while I'm ahead. Why am I not stopping? Someone stop me? All right, there we go. I have done my eyebrows in the style of 2022. Am I up to date? Am I cool again? Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this. I kind of like it from afar. It's more natural, sort of, but when you get real up close and personal, this gel is looking pretty rough, if I'm being honest. I see why people grab this one. It's got crazy, it's like so sticky in my eyebrows and it feels very strange. I'm not sure how well it's holding my eyebrows up in that fluffy way that everybody's looking for. I might have some other hair gels that I like better for this in my collection, but in true experiment fashion, I am using the same eyebrow pen and gel that I see everybody else using. So anyway, that is it for this video. Short, sweet, fun experiment, something a little different. Again, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you are interested in hanging out for actual hair videos, because this is what my hair looks like normally when it is not up in a serious greasy mom bun. Today is wash day and I'm really looking forward to it. All right, guys, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day and I will see you this Friday in our next video. Bye.